Hi everyone, today we will be presenting you with a brief overview of our approach to the major assignment. Our research topic is how digital transformation has facilitated new learning opportunities for accounting students in the university sector when using educational products. Undoubtedly, digital technology has taken over almost every aspect of our day-to-day lives. One such being the education, we wanted to examine how digital transformation, that is, the integration of technology within the education sector, affects the learning process of accounting students. We subdivided our research question into two parts for the ease of gathering data and analysis. Accordingly, the two research sub-questions are: what is the relationship between digital transformation of educational products and the student experience? And the second one is, how does digital transformation help enhance the learning experience? The first question shall explore whether there exists a relationship between digital transformation and learning experience of the accounting students and the nature of that relationship. The second question attempts to identify how the digital transformation has assisted accounting students to undergo successful learning. Upon our initial discussions, we as accounting students ourselves determined that using digital technology makes it easier to learn, makes the studies more interesting and understandable and interactive, more cost-effective, time-saving, and more productive than learning accounting using the traditional methods. By conducting the study, we wanted to see whether the other accounting students also agreed on the same. We also conducted a literature review where we came across many ideologies that favored the incorporation of digitalized methods in learning. However, we observed that most of these previous studies have explored the topic of digitalization of learning within the accounting sector with the motive or with respect to organizational level of business objective. And very little focus has been given to identifying the productivity and impact of using digitalized methods in learning according to the student's perspective. Since students are the customers or the clients, it is important that a proper study is conducted to identify their perceptions and reception of digitalized learning methods, and this study therefore fills that gap. Over to you, Ran.
Now let's see the research method parts. The study will focus on examining the main topic by answering the two research sub-questions. Quantitative methods will be used to gather data for both questions. The research is designed as the procedures shown here. The process of research started with the confirmation of a research problem and divided the main problem into sub-questions. The second step is deciding the analysis method. The third step is to choose how to collect research data. In this research, the primary data source, a questionnaire survey, was used. Primary data are usually the most valid illumination and truth manifesting. After the data collection, the first step is deciding the analysis tool. In the fifth step, we interpreted findings. And the next step is finding implications. The implication includes two parts: academical direction and practical direction. The last step is the conclusion of this research project. And now, let's see how to use the questionnaire survey. Here is the process of using questionnaire survey. The survey will be carried out by distributing a questionnaire that has both open-ended and closed-ended questions. The survey is divided into three parts. Here, the first part examines demographic of the sample, and the second part is designed to find out the relationship between digitalization and student experience, whereas the final part is designed to identify what students comprehend as the use of digital transformation in respect of learning accounting. A target sample was set as 50 accounting students who have a minimum bachelor level qualification. They can share their opinions with respect to certain questions, which will provide us with further incentive to discuss. The survey was conducted through Survey Sparrow software, and the results were analyzed by Microsoft Excel. The answer to the open-ended questions in the questionnaire will provide a valuable platform for discussion. Now let's move to the next part.
The findings of the study. After the survey, about 95% of the respondents have some understanding of what digital transformation is. It is found that majority of the students believes information systems are regularly being used in the learning of accounting, indicating that technology is more often used in teaching accounting. This primarily takes the shape of software applications to conduct projects, accounting software, and other related programs that add to the accounting students' learning journey. It is clear from the study that the use of information technology in the classroom has dramatically grown in the last 10 years, so that there has been a significant change in the educational sector that a student that students are aware of. Moreover, 80% of accounting students value digital transformation learning experiences, while only 3.3% oppose them. This is mostly due to the convenience that current technology gives, such as ease of use, reduced time consumption, accuracy, interactiveness, engaging, and effectiveness. Approximately more than 75% of the candidates who responded agreed that it is critical in familiarizing themselves with the accounting softwares on the market. This is mostly because having familiarity and knowledge of current market products in use within the business is useful when students enter the employment market. The creative teaching methods that use modern technologies in the classroom setting improve the learning experience, and this reflects students' positive attitudes about technology in the classroom and also explains its productivity. The study also looked into the effects of digital transformation on improving the learning experience productivity. This bar graph shows the outcome of the survey, and it is clear from the graph that the vast majority of candidates feel that using digital tools makes it easier to learn concepts and improve student more participatory and engaging. And most of the sample also agrees that using digitalized tools and techniques makes accounting related computations and tasks easier to do, and hence the burden has become less time consuming. Again, more than a third of the sample agrees that the use of digital transformation makes teaching more attractive and efficient, and they accept that becoming familiar with using modern technological apps in the class setting may be advantageous in their future tasks and duties as a professional. So when we come to the implications of this research, it has two parts, academic and practical. Many accounting students have had digital transformation learning experiences and are interested in it according to the findings of the study. For the academic implications, the study will provide references for related research, such as the research plan overview, survey questionnaire design, and data analysis. And for the practical implications, universities will be more motivated to create more digitalized educational products in order to target and assist students from the study. In conclusion, the digital transformation improves students' learning experiences by increasing their interest in units, providing more flexible learning techniques, making time management easier and providing more opportunity to become familiar with accounting software. Here comes the bibliography of the research, the books and articles that we referred while doing this study. Thank you.